Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and today I'm going to show you how to upload files to your Pencil files and how to keep your Pencil files organized. So to open your Pencil files, you can either go to the left-hand side and select Files, or you can select one of your courses and select Files at the top. If you would prefer a grid view of your files, select the Grid button found at the right. And here your files would have been separated into folders and individual files. So the first thing I'm going to be demonstrating is how to upload a file into your Pencil files. So I'm going to click Upload found at the top right-hand side of my screen. Here, you can either drag and drop the file onto the page, or you can look through your computer files and select the file you would like to upload. Once you have added your file to the page, you are going to select Next. And now your file would have been uploaded to your Pencil files. So if I go to the search bar at the top and search up the name of the file, I can see that it's been uploaded to my files. If you have a group of files you would like to add to a folder, you can create a folder by selecting the Create Folder button found to the right. And you're first going to be asked to title your folder. Once you've selected a title, click Create. And your new folder would have been added at the top. So to add files to your folder, you can search for the files you'd like to add in your search bar. Once you've located the file you would like to add to your folder, hover over the file and check off the box to the left. From there, click the folder icon and select Move Selection to Folder. From here, you can search for your folder, or you can scroll down and find it on your folder list. Click on the folder you would like to add the file to, and select Move. And now when you open your folder, you will be able to see your file on the inside. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the bottom left-hand side of your screen.